10 natural ways to prevent varicose veins. Hello there, ladies. Welcome back to our channel, Well Woman Wisdom. Today, we're diving into a topic that might not sound glamorous, but is super important for your health and comfort. We're talking about varicose veins. So, what exactly are varicose veins? They're those twisted, rope-like thick veins that often appear on your legs and feet. They happen when the valves in your veins don't work properly, causing blood to pool and the veins to swell. Not only can they be unsightly, but they can also lead to discomfort, pain, and even more serious health issues like chronic venous insufficiency, and even blood clots, also known as deep vein thrombosis, DVT. Although varicose veins can be genetically influenced, there are also things you can do to lessen your risk of developing them. Over 38 years of my professional work as a naturopathic doctor and psychologist, I have witnessed women struggle with all sorts of health issues. Those struggles made me wonder at times why many of the women failed to focus more on preventing diseases instead of waiting to seek cures after a disease had struck. I guess the saying that we never know what we have until we lose it is probably one explanation for this behaviour. Be it as it may, it's my conviction that preventing any form of ailments is always the best course of action to take, even when it concerns varicose veins. So stick around, because I'm here to share 10 simple yet effective ways to prevent these pesky veins from forming, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what you can do to prevent developing varicose veins. But before we continue, if you'd like to receive more natural tips and holistic approaches for living a truly balanced life, why not subscribe and click the icon bell to get notified when we publish our next video. Now, let's start. Number 1. Raise your legs. Raising your legs above your heart level for about 15 to 20 minutes a few times a day can do wonders. It helps improve blood circulation and reduces the pressure on your veins. This simple practice can prevent blood from pooling in your lower legs, which is a major cause of varicose veins. Plus, it's a great excuse to kick back and relax. Raising your legs above your heart level before or after work for 15 minutes will encourage the blood to flow back towards your heart. When sitting or sleeping, raising your legs above the level of your heart can enhance proper blood circulation. Standing or sitting in one position for a long period makes it harder for your blood to travel in the leg veins against gravity. It causes the pressure in your veins to rise. If you sit for a lengthy period of time at work, make sure to get up and move around as much as possible throughout the day, or change your position frequently to keep the blood flow in your legs constant. This will help improve blood flow and reduce the strain on your veins. In the evening, lie on your back and rest your legs against a wall for 10 to 15 minutes each day. Number 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Keeping your weight in check is crucial. Excess weight puts additional pressure on your veins, which can lead to varicose veins. Eating a balanced diet and staying active helps you maintain a healthy weight, which in turn keeps your veins happy and healthy. Number 3. Avoid tight clothing, especially tight hosiery. Wearing tight clothes, especially around your waist, legs, and groin, can restrict blood flow. This increases your risk of developing varicose veins. Opt for loose, comfortable clothing that allows your blood to flow freely, and make sure not to wear tight panties with elastic bands. Indeed, fashion can be comfortable too. Number 4. Exercise regularly. Physical exercise is a fantastic way to keep varicose veins at bay. Activities like walking, running, cycling, swimming get your blood pumping and improve circulation. Exercising also helps in maintaining a healthy weight, so you can hit 2 birds with 1 stone. Number 5. Horse chestnut extract. The seeds of the horse chestnut tree contain a group of saponin, toxic bitter-tasting plant-derived organic chemicals, compounds, collectively known as acin. This is known to be the main active compound that diminishes varicose vein symptoms. The extract can reduce some symptoms of poor blood circulation, such as varicose veins pain, tiredness, swelling in the legs, itching, and water retention. It can improve venous tone by improving blood flow in your legs. It also helps to decrease leg swelling and pain associated with varicose vein. Number 6. Eat foods rich in flavonoids. This is one of my favourite ways of keeping varicose veins in check. Flavonoids are bright, vibrant compounds found in fruits like berries, apples and citrus fruits, as well as in vegetables like onions and spinach. They have many health benefits, including improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure in your veins. Incorporating these into your diet can help prevent varicose veins from forming. Yummy and beneficial. I'm a great advocate of flavonoids. If you'd like me to make a video on flavonoids and their fantastic health benefits, just let me know in your comment below. If I receive enough interest, I'll consider doing a video on this amazing phytochemical. Number 7. Watch your posture. Most women don't realize that good posture is more than just sitting up straight. Become conscious of your posture and avoid crossing your legs for long periods. Take breaks to stand and stretch. Poor posture can impede blood flow and lead to varicose veins. So sit up straight and stretch often, especially when you sit for a long time in front of the computer. Number 8. Wear support pantyhose and avoid high heels. Wearing support pantyhose or compression stockings can apply gentle pressure to your legs. This will help the veins move blood more efficiently. Pantyhose or compression stockings are especially useful if you're on your feet a lot or if you're pregnant. They're also fashionable and functional. Number 9. Don't smoke or quit smoking. Smoking damages your blood vessels and hampers circulation, making you more susceptible to varicose veins. If you smoke, quitting can significantly improve your overall vascular health. Your veins will thank you. Number 10. Rebounding. Rebounding is a type of low-impact aerobic exercise that you perform by jumping on a mini trampoline called a rebounder. It is an effective activity for treating varicose veins as it helps prevent blood clotting in your legs. Although this doesn't cure varicose veins, I can vouch for its effectiveness in helping to alleviate leg pain and improve circulation. Rebounding is also excellent for stimulating lymph flow. So ladies, there you have it, 10 easy ways to prevent varicose veins from forming. One last thing to remember is that although varicose veins are usually more common in older adults, they aren't inevitable. So, by incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll be doing your veins a huge favour and keeping your legs and feet beautiful and pain-free as you age. Tell us in the comments section below which of the ways described in the video you have applied or intend to use. Thank you for watching. Remember to share the video, like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more holistic health tips. Also, remember that prevention is the key to maintaining good blood circulation, so take care of those veins. Bye for now, and enjoy your day.